Hi guys, so you can just see here we have a ceiling that had mold in it, and we have to use, well, it wasn't that one, we use a water-based bins primer. Why water-based? It's less toxic, it's just as efficient, it's a shellac, and you can see we have covered up all from the picture rail all the way down, and the ceiling was cracking as well, so we've actually had to do the ceiling as well as the joints. The mouldings are in really good condition, and this was the product we used to actually remove the mold. So the combination is it's going to be remove the mold, and then the bins primer, and then the top coat. Okay, thanks guys. So you can see here, covered up the light, covered up the walls, covered up the curtains, covered up everything in situ, and fireplace and everything. Okay, thanks guys. I'll send you videos. This progresses. Okay.